Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss everything you have to know about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus and what it features, both battery, camera, processor and others. On our previous video, we discussed about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now this is the S25 Plus. For S series lineup, we have the S25, S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. Samsung S series provide different color options, so it can be easy for you to pick any color of your choice. Comparing both side by side, the S25 Ultra comes with 6.9 inches and the S25 Plus comes with 6.7 inches and the S25 comes with 6.2 inches. I hope with that you can know the size difference. The S25 Ultra is the biggest in size, followed by the S25 Plus and the S25. Wow, that is amazing. Take a look at the screen. I'm holding the S25 Plus and S25. The size difference isn't much from each other. First of all, let's start with the unboxing experience. Opening the box, the first thing we got is the phone. We also got the little packaging box. We also have the SIM has rejector too, followed by the USB Type-C cable. This is all we got in the box. Now let's get in touch with the phone. This is the navy color and the overall design is pretty nice. We do have a covering over the front glass, so let's remove that. So take a look at the design. For me, I love how minimalistic it looks. It feels very similar to what we have in S25 Ultra. Comes with 219 grams, while the Plus is 190 grams. For the front, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Vistis 2. Another interesting part is that it is an IP68 dust and water splash resistant, so it can survive water splashing on it from all angles. That is interesting. So please, as you're watching, this is a great opportunity for you to like this video and also subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video just like this one you're watching. Let's discuss about other things. For the performance, it's powered by Android 15 on the bus. For the storage aspect, it comes with 256GB internal storage and 12GB of RAM and 512GB internal storage and 12GB of RAM. For the battery, it comes with 5000 mAh battery. Wow, will I say 5000? No, a little bit lower, 4900 mAh battery. That means the battery can last a whole day for average users. That is the same battery capacity that comes with the previous Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. No any upgrade for the battery. It retains the same 4900 mAh battery from last year. Moving to the bottom, we see the charging port and the manual speaker grab. The SIM has accommodator also located at the bottom. So let's bring it out and see what it offers. The SIM has accommodator only contains one single SIM card, not two. At the top, there is nothing. At the left corner is where the power button and the volume up and down rocker key located. For the resolution, 3120 by 1440p resolution. It also comes with 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung claimed that it can pick a brightness of 2600 nits of peak brightness. The fingerprint responds so fast to touch whenever I want to unlock the phone. That one won't be a problem. Let's discuss about other things. Speaking about the camera, it comes with 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and 50 megapixel main camera and 10 megapixel telephoto camera. Comparing it with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you will notice that between both, apart from the size and the camera design, there is no more difference. Another interesting part is that it can record videos up to 4K resolution. You can also record up to 8K by 24 by 30 FPS. With that, the video experience is a massive. At the front is where we see the 12 megapixel selfie camera. To be honest with you guys, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus comes with Snapdragon 8 lead. Do I mean Snapdragon? Yes, Snapdragon 8 lead is one of the fastest processor in 2025. Now coming to my conclusion, if you are going for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, you're gonna get best processor, which is the Snapdragon 8 lead. Not even that, it has 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4 with 4900 milliampere battery. That is a massive, and you can get up to 45-watt fast charging. Comparing the Geekbenchmark score from the S25 Ultra and S25 Plus, you will see the result. The Ultra has a single score of 1355 compared with the Plus that has a single score of 1873. You will notice that the Ultra scored the highest. For the multi-score, the Ultra also scored the highest. In Samsung S25 series, the Ultra is the key among all. And as for the Antutu score, this is the result. And as for the CPU, this is the result. Interesting. For the S series lineup this year, all comes with Snapdragon 8 lead. So if you're going for any of all those devices, you're gonna get the fastest processor in 2025. If you find this video helpfully and the effort I put up when making this video, I will be happy if you subscribe to this channel and also turn on that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on my next video. Peace out.